Hello friends, welcome to A4E channel. Today's video is on how to prepare South India special Kongunadu Paruppu Sadam or Dhal rice. Take the following ingredients: 1 cup of rice, 1/4 cup of yellow dal, soak in water for 20 minutes. Take onions, tomatoes, green chilies and chop into small pieces. Heat the pressure cooker and add 2 teaspoons of oil and allow it to heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard. Wait until it splitters and then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add the finely chopped onions. And green chilies with little salt to ease cooking and stir nicely. Now add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and mix well. Until the raw smell goes off. Add chopped tomatoes and stir until it is cooked well. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and also add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And mix well. Add soaked rice and dal. For 1 cup of rice and 1/4 cup of dal, add 2 to 3 cups of water. Stir nicely. Now you can add salt to taste as required. Now let us leave to boil for 10 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee for perfect taste and you can mix it well. The rice is 3/4 cooked, so it's time to close the lid. And wait for 2 whistles. Let it cool down completely and now open the lid. Mix it well. Tasty dal rice is ready to serve in plates. Enjoy the tasty food. Refer the ingredients list for easy cooking. Thanks for watching. Do like, share or comment. Please subscribe our channel.